Hello students, this video is the continuation of your chapter 1. In this video we are going to see about nth term of an AP. So AP means so the number will be in a series with common difference in between them. So in this we are going to find out nth term. So in any term which is unknown, that term we have to find out. We have a formula. Okay, with first term and common difference we can write the formula. So it is given by an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so nth term if you want means you can find it out by a plus n minus 1 into d. This is a formula, so you have to memorize this formula. With this only the whole exercise we are going to find the solution. So exercise 1.2 page number 13. So first problem is this one. So here in the table a is given, d is given, n is given, n we have to find out, and similarly with the same formula we can find out any unknown a or d or n. Okay, so coming to the first question, we have a equal to 7, d equal to 3 and n 8. We have to find out an, that is 8th term. 8th term, what the number will be in the number series AP. Okay, so that's what we have to find out. So first term is a equal to 7, common difference is 3, that is given, and number of term is 8. So we have to find out an. So formula you have to write. So an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so putting the values, just substitute the values. So you will get 7 plus 8 minus 1 into 3. So 8 minus 1 is 7. So 7 into 3, that is 21. So 21 plus 7 equal to 28. It's a 8th term. Okay, an equal to 28. This is how we will get the answer. So moving to the next one. Given a equal to minus 18, common difference is unknown here. In this question, d we don't know, so we have to find out with the same formula. Number of term is 10 and nth term it is 0. This is also already given in the question. So with this data we have to find out what is the value of d. So write the formula, then substitute the values in the formula. So an is 0, so substitute the value of 0 here, equal to minus 18 in the place of a plus n minus 1. So nth term is 10, so 10 minus 1 into d. So d is the unknown one. So putting 18 to that side of the equal to, it will become plus 18. Okay, equal to 9d. So d, if you want to find out means remove the 9 from there and divide it to the 18. So 18 by 9 equal to 2. So d value is 2. Moving to the fourth subdivision in this. First term is a equal to minus 18.9. Nth term an equal to 3.6. Common difference is 2.5. We have to find n. Okay, so same formula. Then putting the values. So in terms in the place of an you have to write 3.6 equal to minus 18.9 plus n minus 1 into 2.5. So that's a d value. Okay, so so minus 18.9, after bringing to the next side of equal to, it will be in plus. Okay, so after simplifying that we will get 22.5 equal to n minus 1 into 2.5. So 2.5 is in multiplication in the RHS. So bringing to the LHS, it will go in division. Okay, so 22.5 divided by 2.5. Okay, so that is equal to 9. Okay, so n minus 1 is 9. So n is equal to 10. Okay. Next question, choose the correct choice in the following and justify. So 30th term of AP 10, 7, 4 is what? 4 options is given, you have to find out which is the correct answer. This is what we are going to see now. Okay, so AP is 10 7 4. Okay, so first term is A. From the given AP we can find out A is 10. Then difference, common difference is A2 minus A1. So 7 minus 10 equal to minus 3. Okay, so common difference is minus 3. So the formula is an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So putting the values, so 30th term, okay, a30 equal to 10, that is a value, plus 30 minus 1 into d value is minus 3. Okay, so putting those values and simplifying, you will get 10 minus 87 equal to minus 77. So so the correct answer is option C, minus 77. That's the 30th term. Next one, AP is minus 3 minus 1 by 2, 2. Okay, so from the AP we have to find out a equal to minus 3. First term is minus 3. Then common difference, a2 minus a1. So minus 1 by 2 minus 3. So minus into minus, it will be plus. Okay, so that so minus 1 by 2 plus 3 it will be. So you have to take the LCM. LCM is 3, no? So 2. So minus 1 plus 6 will be there. Okay, 6 minus 1 is 5. So answer is 5 by 2. Then formula you have to write and substitute the values in the formula. So A11 equal to 3 plus 11 minus 1 into 5 by 2. Okay, so 11 minus 1 is 10. Okay, 10 into 5 by 2 is there. So 2 and 10 if you cancel, it will be 5. So 5 into 5 will be coming. So that is 25. So then the answer is A11 equal to 22. Okay, so it's option B. So that's all for this video. Thank you.